the string will become A, B, 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 and it is starting with A, B, B. So B transition from Q3 will again go to the final state. Now in this case, Q3 is the final state, so that transition will go itself. That is the final state. So this is the DFA deterministic finite automata for the string starting with ABB. We'll see again. Q0 is the initial state. What we have done? We have designed the finite automata for the smallest size valid string A, B, B, final state. Okay. Now I started considering every input at every state. So A transition is given. What about B? So if B transition is given at the Q0, it is never going to be valid because the starting first alphabet will become B. So it is never going to be valid. So I'm giving it to the invalid. Again with the Q1, B transition is given, A transition. First alphabet is A. If second alphabet becomes A, it is never going to be valid. So it is invalid. Same with the Q2. Previous string is A, B. The third alphabet I'm giving as A. It is never going to be valid. So again, this A transition will be to the invalid. And this Q3 already previous string is A, B, B. So after that, whatever we are writing, already it is valid. So A transition will go to the final state. Similar, B transition will go to the final state. So this is designing of the DFA for string starting with ABB. Okay. Now we can check this DFA, design DFA, whether it is correct or not by providing some valid strings and invalid strings. Okay. So that is very important because we have gone through the DFA, but considering the smallest size valid string, after that all states transition from every state. Now we'll check with the valid string. Now if we consider a string called as A B. This is the string. We have to check whether this is a valid or not. Now my condition is saying all strings starting with ABB. This is starting with ABB. No, third alphabet is A, not B. So this is not a valid string. So by just seeing it, I am come to know that it is not a valid. Now we'll check with the DFA, whether my DFA is giving the correct answer or not. So how to try with this? Start with the Q0 and the string A, B, and this is what transition is, del transition function. Okay. Now Q0 input is A. So from Q0 input is A. It is going to Q1. Okay. So it will become Q1. This is done. This is absorbed. This input is absorbed. What is the remaining string? B, A, B. Okay. So what I have done? Starting initial state, taken the first input alphabet and the transition Q0 to A. It is going to Q1. And the remaining string B, A, B. Now again, Q1 with B. So Q1 with B. So from Q1 with B, it is going to Q2. Q1 with B transition, it is going to Q2. So it becomes Q2. The remaining string is now A, B. Del transition. Okay. Del is a transition function. Now again, Q2 with A. So Q2 with A, it is going to invalid. Q2 with A, it is going to invalid. So that is a invalid. So when it goes to invalid, there is no transition. So means what? It becomes invalid. So this AB is invalid string. So my DFA is also giving the correct answer for the invalid string. So yes, AB is not starting with the ABB. So it is an invalid. Okay. Now we'll check with the valid string. Again. The same procedure we have to adopt. Now we'll check the valid string. A, B, B, B. So I will just take A, B, B, B and del transition. Q0 with A, it is coming to Q1, B, B, B. The remaining string. A is absorbed. A is absorbed. So remaining string is B, B, B. Again, we are making a transition Q1 with B. Q1 with B, it is going to Q2. So it will be Q2, comma, remaining string is B, B. So again, transition Q2 with B, Q2 with B, it is going to Q3. So it will be Q3. Remaining string is B. So again, a transition Q3 with B, Q3 with B, it is going to Q3 itself. It is going to Q3 itself by absorbing this B input. So at the end, the state which we are getting is a final state. Means what? This is the valid string. This is a valid string. If I am getting a invalid state or non-final state, we will say it as a invalid string. So if I am getting a valid final state, we will say it is a valid. If I am getting non-final state, we will say it as a invalid. So these are the